Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, I'll show you how to add pictures to TikTok comments. Let's get started. For example, let's say you're watching a video on TikTok and you want to leave a comment with a picture. First, tap on the heart icon to like the video. Then, tap on the comment icon located next to the heart icon on the right side of your screen. Now, you'll see the comments section. Choose the comment you want to reply to and tap on Reply. In the comment box, you'll notice a red camera icon on your Gboard keyboard. Tap on it and you'll be directed to your camera. Here, you can either take a video or tap on the photo icon to select a picture from your gallery. Once you've chosen the picture, tap on Next at the bottom. You can adjust the privacy settings if you want, then tap on Post at the bottom right corner. And there you go. Your comment with the picture is now posted. To find your comment, go to the profile icon at the bottom right corner, then tap on the heart icon. Scroll through the notifications until you find the video you commented on. Tap on it, and you'll see your comment with the picture. That's how easy it is to add pictures to TikTok comments. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing to our channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest videos. Thanks for watching.